Good morning, everybody. A little different kind of video today. We've been doing a bunch of renovating here in the forge, and what I did was I took the old coal forge out. Actually, I use propane now exclusively, so it was just in the way, and I got another power hammer too. So we needed a space. You know how it is; you just can't change one thing. So all of a sudden, I'm cleaning out the forge, and that's taking days to do, but we're at the end of it right now, and I just want to show everybody real quick what it looks like in here. Not quite done, but you know. and we're taking the chimney down today too, the metal one going up through the chimney. That's been a leaker for a while now. Snow is backed up against it and kind of crushed it in a little bit, so it's not good, you know. Anyway, let me just switch this around here and we'll show everybody if I can see it. All right. Here we go, there's a new hammer. Place's still a bit of a mess. The old power hammer, that's going to be going here at some point. That's the new one right there. I'll be doing an update on that here shortly. That's, boy, yeah, that's working really good. Just finishing up anchoring down below there. My post vise now right in the middle where I can get to it. And of course everything is just covered with stuff. It looks a lot better than it did before. Anyway, hang on a second, we'll get outside. All right, here we are, outside here just a little bit. Going around there's the meadow and our neighbor's cows. So, ladders are set, and there's the chimney. Now, like I said, yeah, you probably can't see it, but from the back there, that snow, as much as I cleaned it off, it still just did not want to, it caved in. So it's coming down. Okay, we'll do an update here again here in a few. Thanks everybody for watching. Okay, well that took a little longer than I expected, but we got it done. What I'm gonna do here, all right, we're gonna flip this around. Hang on a second. All right, so we got the roof all patched. Gotta cut that tree down here shortly, but we're going to do a galvanized paint on the whole roof there and blend everything in at some point. But for the time being, that's stopping the leak, and no more busted chimney. Oh, here we are here. The cows seem to be quite interested in what we're doing today. Yeah, sure is a nice day. Right outside my shop door. All right, folks. To be continued. Thanks for watching. Okay, well, here's what's left of the chimney. We pulled the liner down through the ceiling and the outside cover up through the roof. And now I just got to pull those pieces apart. They'll be all scrapped here shortly. Definitely past its time. It's, you know, again, that was an old coal forge. And used it quite a bit, served its purpose for years, but I just don't use coal here in the shop any longer. This is, there's my propane forge, not hooked up at the moment, but we have a little bit more to do. I still have to anchor that power hammer down a little bit more. It was just temporarily put right there to make sure everything was going to be okay. Seems to be a good spot. Everything's going to work all right, it looks like. So I'm going to finish anchoring that down, and I'll have an updated video on that here soon as I can. A little action video going on. Now, hang on just a minute. I'm going to show you what I've been working on real quick here, other than this stuff. Hang on. Okay, just a little addition to that video here. We're working on those Hudsons everybody's been wondering about. These, of course, are all spoken for. Kent, that one's yours. Bill, that one's yours. And Brian, that one's yours. Of course, I got to polish up the blades and everything. Just putting the final coats of finish on right now. And the sheets are drying. They'll be ready shortly, and I'll put up a good video on all those here as soon as I can. Okay, I guess that's going to do it for the day. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. And we'll catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.